What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up your QuickBooks account. Just signed up for QuickBooks and not sure what to do next? Well, I'm going to guide you through the essential steps to get your account set up correctly from the start. Let's get into it. The first step is going to be to sign up. So visit the QuickBooks website right there on the screen and then click start free trial, or you can just choose a paid plan. Sign up using your email or a Google account. Next, you're going to create your login credentials and proceed to your dashboard. Step 2 is to provide business information. QuickBooks will ask you to enter your business name, industry, business type, and of course when you started using QuickBooks. This helps QuickBooks to tailor your setup. Step 3 is to choose features that you need. Now QuickBooks is going to prompt you to pick what features that you want to use. Could be invoicing, expense tracking, payrolls, payments, or inventory. Select what applies to your business, but don't worry, you can always add or remove these later. Step 4 is to explore your dashboard. Once inside, you're going to land on the main dashboard. Take note of tabs like Get Things Done, Banking, Sales, and Expenses. These are where the action happens. Step 5 is to save and continue later if needed. QuickBooks automatically saves your progress so that you can explore setup at your own pace at a later date. And that's it. Your QuickBooks account is officially set up. Next, we're going to connect to your bank account and set up your chart of accounts. So stick around for the next tutorial. And that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.